Hello, and welcome to the U.S. Botanic Garden Orchid Greenhouses. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Dendrobium house, where we grow a number of Dendrobium species, as well as several showy hybrids. In addition, we grow plants from a number of unrelated genera that require similar conditions, including a cool winter resting period, as many of our Dendrobium species. Other genera we grow in here include members of the Catasetum, for example. Accordingly, this greenhouse is kept relatively cool in the winter with minimal watering, and temperatures can range down into the 50s. In the summer, temperatures are much warmer and can reach the 80s, and watering is increased. So thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed.